I thought that I would never have the patience to make a cartoon, but I'm starting to think that like if we can get this far, maybe we can actually have like a few little comedy skits that we can enact with our little character in Unity. Definitely, we're like almost there. I feel like we're closer than ever, you know? I'm still not doing this right, but I mean, it's like better than completely shitty. She definitely can't spread her legs very much, otherwise her whole leg skirt comes apart. So we could technically make an animation clip now, but we still don't have really the IK hooked up properly. Yay! Oh, welcome. You know, it's already like 12:30 in the night, so I'll never hold it against you if you can't make it or something, cuz I know that I stream at weird hours sometimes, and I just try to stream whenever possible to make it more likely that people can stop by. I go through like phases of being like super social and then like being all reclusive. So, oh, cool, Mog. It's 3:30 for you. I know this is also too complicated for me right now, actually, but we're gonna make it happen. The limb solver. Like that's supposed to be at the hand, not. Hey, this is supposed to be like the other way around or something. Okay, this one is definitely the one to delete. Okay, this now. Ah, look at that. Okay, oh my god. It's so gratifying to see the IK. Obviously, there's way too much influence on the side of the face. So, like, if you move the arm, like, her whole entire, like, side of her body and her face and her hair all moves. But that is an easy fix. This is, like, definitely going in the right direction. So, this one, we got the hand where it belongs. This right here is what we're about to try to solve. Yeah, buddy, look at how fast we did that one now. Alright, the only thing is, like, look at her boob, like, completely attached. Hey, we're getting rated. Thanks, Ninja Falcon. Hi, friends. Yay, woohoo. Nice to see you. Thanks for that thoughtful raid. We're slowly but surely getting the hang of, like, 2D inverse kinematics in Unity. But you got here at the perfect time because we spent most of today just trying to decide on an outfit for this girl and like drawing her body because you might recognize the face like my emote girl. We basically were taking the emote girl and then hey there salon face, welcome. Hey, thanks everyone for coming in with the raid. I'm all proud of this girl because we made a body for my emote girl and we got as far as like adding well, we started adding inverse kinematics to the body, like the arms, but it's got too much influence on the head, so it's a little funny, but it's cool because like we did it. um, one thing is like I'll sometimes like grab the wrong child object or something, but as long as you have the right thing selected, it does look a bit funny, but we'll fix the funny part where it's like moving the head when you're trying to move her hand and her face is moving. We can fix that. Create target. And this thing right here. Bam! We got inverse kinematics. Once we get this like all set up, I was gonna try to make a little storyline and make a short animation with voice acting. Just like go from point A to point Z. From letter I guess they're letters. From letter A to letter Z. Oh my god. Alright, we only got one more leg to do this on. And then we'll have a fully rigged character. Alright, bone 8. We're gonna say make another limb. And then this one will say bone 8. Then create target. And then open this up to get the handle. And then BAM! So yeah, we can totally work on that weight painting because like it's not perfect, but it's like got inverse kinematics now. What about the head? Like, is the head supposed to have inverse kinematics like on the neck or something? Sweet, yay! Cool. Yeah. Oh god. I think it's looking okay for now. This is almost a good pausing point. One thing I want to do, like, it's not perfect, but we can make one animation just for proof of concept. And first, I'm gonna click on what? Okay, so the bones will normally get renamed. Oh, this is like her dancing. Bam, we got a dancing animation. Oh, so fun. You just have to make sure they don't accidentally grab the wrong thing. Just grab the solver, the child of the solver. All right, copy and then paste. And cool. So it's about as long as we want. If we can just make this awesome ass idol, then I'll be so stoked. All right. Yay! Look at that. She's not doing a messed up loop. She's looping properly. That is the biggest camera gizmo I've ever seen in my life. All right. Bam! You can hardly even tell, but she is actually moving. Even her hair is breathing. Cool. All right. Well, we did it, man. We got a game. Before we do too many more animations, while it's tempting, we'll wait until tomorrow. I'll go through and like name these bones and stuff. But yeah, this has been really fun. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight while I learn how to do all this. This has been awesome. Yay! Hell yeah, Ninja! I was thinking, yeah, if either like point and click adventure and or like writing like a short comedy script and doing some voice acting. And once we get the one like if we have one character animated, basically we can use that same animation for different characters. So my idea is to make two or three character skins and then come up with a little dialogue that can maybe be like a 1 or 2 minute long animation. And that way we can just like practice all the stuff that we learned so far and have something to create. And I was like, well, we should just start by making the emote girl's body, and we got here. We made her like animated and stuff. At least the boobs look like they are like they do kind of have some secondary emotion because like the weight painting affects like a lot of the body. Cool. All right, we'll definitely come back to this tomorrow. I think what I'm gonna do is make an office, and it's gonna be like two characters, and they're gonna be working at the office together, and they're gonna say, "Let's like quit our jobs and work from home," and then we'll have like a little simulator, like a YouTuber simulator type thing. I know there's already like YouTube simulator games and stuff, but it could be like the two girls that are working at the office together, and they're roommates or something, and then they quit their job and like start working from home or something. Cute. Something that has some relatable comedy somehow. Like maybe they're trying to be influencers or something, and they just have something relatable to say about it. So yeah, because I'm down for point and click, but that'll take a lot longer. So I'm trying to think of things we can do like along the way. Yay! Walking animations give you nightmares. Cool. I know last time I was trying to do 2D Flash animation, walking was in Flash and it was definitely bad. But this time it's gonna be way better. Yeah, it's already 111. It's 111. Nap time. Alright. Twitch is slowly loading. I'm gonna see who's live to raid. Yay. Maybe I'll try to stream tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. I'll try to do something fun tomorrow. And if I can, I'll stream it. Alright. So many people who are streaming. I gotta find somebody who's doing like art or something. Thanks, America. Have a good night.